Welcome to the St. James Tower, a full-service, white-glove condominium in the Sutton area of Midtown Manhattan. Apartment 10C has a corner living room with dual exposure and walls of windows, allowing light to stream in all day long. The apartment's layout provides the utmost in privacy with a split two-bedroom with ensuite private marble bathrooms. The primary bedroom has plenty of room for a king-size bed and ample closets. The primary bath has a deep soaking tub, separate shower, double sink, bidet, and toilet. The windowed kitchen is masterfully renovated with custom cabinetry and soft-touch drawers, Caesarstone countertops, sub-zero refrigerator with 2 freezer drawers, and a Miele dishwasher with 3 racks. The spacious second bedroom has great closet space and features an ensuite marble bathroom as well. The St. James Tower has amazing amenities: a roof deck with great views of the river and the New York skyline, a renovated gym, courtyard, laundry, storage bins for rent, and parking. There's a 24-hour Doorman Concierge and a live-in super. The St. James Tower is also close to a number of fantastic restaurants, Whole Foods, and great transportation. For more information, contact Astrid Pillay or ncelebic with Brown Harris Stevens.